Hey guys, it's Anissa. So today's video I have a little get ready with me. I'm going out to dinner with one of my friends and I thought it'd be fun to film my hair, makeup, outfit, and just the vibes for tonight and what I'm trying to, what I'm trying to give. So yeah, I'm not a makeup artist or anything, but this is what I have for the night. I just want to show you guys my little makeup routine when I'm going out. And I will have everything linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing anything. So yeah, go ahead, keep on watching if you'd like to see how I accomplish this easy makeup look and my outfit. So yeah, let's get into the video. First thing I did was I moisturized my face. The Cetaphil Derma Control Oil Absorbing Moisturizer. And it does have SPF, so that's why it's my favorite, and my skin's pretty oily. Actually, I'm gonna be trying like 2 new products today. So I'm gonna be trying the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. I heard this is really good. Not Hydro Grip, Power Grip Primer. It's actually way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So I heard this is a dupe. A dupe for the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So I just did like 2 drops. So like I'm pretty sure I said in the beginning, I'm going out to dinner with my friends. So, ooh, wow, this is nice. And I haven't really done like any makeup tutorials, so that'll be fun. So the foundation I use is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It's like, I wouldn't say foundation, it's like really thin, but this is really good for me because I don't really like full coverage. Like I'm a more lightweight makeup kind of girly. Like I honestly don't really like foundation at all, but I use this just like even my complexion. I'm more of a just a use concealer type of girl on a regular day, but since I'm going out, I'm gonna use this, and this is in the shade medium, shade 4 medium. So I'm just gonna dab a couple of dots of this on my face. Not too much though, just because like I said, like I don't really like heavy makeup. I'm a really like lightweight type of person. Lightweight makeup type of person. And then I'm going to blend that out with a Real Techniques sponge. It is kind of dirty, don't mind that. So I'm just gonna get it wet really quick. And like I was saying before, like I'm not a makeup artist at all. Like I'm honestly like dipping and dabbling in makeup. I'm not really like good at it by any means. So if you guys have any tips below, don't be scared to leave them below. So I'm just gonna blend this out. And honestly, like when I blend it out, I usually use like a flat side or just any side, but I'm gonna start with this little flat part. And just blend. I love how it makes my skin look. It's really glowy, and like even though I have oily skin, I don't want to be completely matte. Like I use a matte setting spray, and the powders I use are mattifying, so I feel like it like balances out. I should make you guys a little closer. Is this better? Okay, so next I'm wipe my lip off. I do like to apply some Aquaphor. It's just like the Aquaphor little like chapstick thing, because I hate when my lips are dry. Sorry if I'm looking to the side, like I have my big mirror over here and I'm literally using the viewfinder to do my makeup. I'm really sorry. So next I do concealer. So this is the e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer in Satin Finish, and this is the medium neutral shade. So when I do my concealer, I just apply it under my eye, but I don't go directly under my eye. I go like that. That's pretty much it. And then when I blend it out, that's when I'm gonna bring it up. So I'll do that, and then apply a little bit under my nose because it gets pretty red. Okay, so let that sit a little bit. I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender, and then for this I use the pointy side, and then I just blend it up more and kind of down like to my nose like that, to kind of like contour my nose. And I make sure I get it in the corner of my eye because that's where like a lot of my darkness is, in the corners, and then I bring it out a little bit more like that. And then I do my nose concealer, and also bring it down a little bit just because I do get a little like mustache thing going on, but you know, we're all human, it's okay. I actually skipped a step. I usually do my eyebrows first, but we're just gonna do my eyebrows right now. So the eyebrow pencil I use is the Maybelline New York Express Brow. It's like so thin, and I use it in the shade 255 Soft Brown. It matches my brown my brows perfectly. I don't do my makeup that often, you guys, so this is really realistic. Oh, I didn't do a before picture. It's right. It's right. How does it look? Okay, that's good for now. Brows are good for now. I'm gonna do add a gel to them, so I'm just gonna touch up my concealer, make sure there's no creases. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the contour. So I do use, surprise, surprise, the e.l.f. Sculpt and Shade contour palette. It has 4 different shades. It's just like a cream contour. It has a really light shade, which I do use for under my eye, but since I use the concealer, I'm not really gonna use it. But if I'm like have like a no makeup day, I'll put this under my eye, and then I have like 3 contour shades. I usually go in with these 2 on the bottom. So the top was a little more pinky, but I do go in with the 2 on the bottom. Okay, for these, I honestly just use my fingers to do them. So I just, you can always see like kind of where my contour should go because my face like hollowed out right there. So I just literally get my finger and add it in, and I do a little bit higher just because I want my face to be like dragged down with the contour, and I just blend it. And I like to bring it up, my baby hair's out of the way, and I like to bring it up along like the outside of my face. And I'm gonna go in with a little darker one, and same thing, add it in. And I'm also gonna still use my beauty blender to blend this out, so don't worry. I like to bring it down on my jawline. It helps sculpt my face. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and like blend it out a little bit just to soften the edges. It on my finger again and like go down my nose to contour my nose. So go down the sides of my nose a little bit, not too much, just to add some definition there. I see the difference, and make sure it's even on both sides. And like I like to go up to my eyebrow just so it's like connected, and then bring it down a little bit on the end. Oh, my little tank top strap is falling. And then I'll just blend it out with my finger. Okay, so now that we got that on my face, I'm gonna take the other side of the beauty blender that I haven't, that I didn't use the contour on. So that side's dirty. This side isn't, so I'm gonna make sure there's no creases under my under eye. My Laura Mercier setting powder. This is so good. This is a translucent setting powder, so I take this with a little powder puff. It's so cute. I got this from Amazon. And then I just go in the powder and I just dip my powder puff in the powder. This is a lot, so I kind of rub it on the back of my hand to get the excess off, but leave a little bit on there, and then I go like this and put it underneath my eye. Make sure to go all the way to my lash line, and then same for the other side. Add it under my eye, make sure it's going all the way, and then kind of bring it down on my nostril a little bit. That's also to keep my nose matte, but it also helps contour my nose. So I'll let that sit for a second, and while that's sitting, I get a little bit of the concealer, like I was saying, reverse contour, literally the tiniest bit, and just add like a little bit right there on both sides. And then I'll blend that out with my beauty blender and put it in a straight line, kind of cutting the contour out. And I pretty much line it up with like the edge of my mouth, so if I go up, line that. See? Kind of looks bad on camera, but it'll look better with the powder. And then same with the other side. Straight line. Carve that out. Straight line. Let that sit for a little bit. Okay. All right, period. So I'm done with that powder. And then I'll take, now that that's sitting, I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade W4.5. This one's really old, so don't mind the packaging. It's beat up. I've had this forever. It's a little too orange for me, I feel like, but I still like to use it. Big fluffy brush. That's a Makeup Forever brush. I'm trying to have everything linked down below, like I said. I just like to go like this on my hand, make sure there's no other powders on it. I haven't washed my brushes in like 2 weeks. So then I'll take some of this powder a little bit, dab my brush in, blow it off, and then just kind of outline my face, make sure everything's kind of seamless. Make sure I focus on my forehead just because I haven't put any powder on it yet. All the places that I haven't touched, like on top of my lip, my chin, my neck, ears. And like wipe this powder away, just so it's not like sitting too long and getting kicked up. Now, oh, it didn't break, it didn't break. Why am I just realizing these have a mirror in them? I did not know. I've had this for so long. I did not know they had a little mirror. So this is the Guess It e.l.f. bronzer palette. I do have other makeup, you guys. I just love e.l.f. Like e.l.f. is just it for me. Flat bronzer brush that I got from this brand from Amazon. Like I said, I have everything linked down below. Called Zoria Slanted. It's a slanted powder brush, but I use it for bronzer. So in this palette, I like to use these 2 bottom shades. Just go back and forth, and then wherever I put my bronzer, I'll go over with this, kind of deepening it. But I want to be careful not to like go underneath where I put the concealer. And I just kind of go around my face with this just to warm everything up. Like on my forehead, in my hairline. And since I have braids, I'm trying to like not go as close just because I don't mess up my braids. And then I do like put the powder on my brush and then squeeze it like this. And then I use it to go down my nose. So I'm just contouring it a little bit more. Tip my nose. Can you see? I hope you guys can see this. It's so bright. And I also use this as eyeshadow because like I'm not a makeup girly. So same thing, bronzer, and then I close my eye and go on my eyelid. And then this just darkens my eyes up. This is the Milani blush in Berry Amore 03, one of my favorite blushes. Milani blush is my favorite. This blush brush is by this same brand from the other brush, Zoria, and I just dab it in here, get some of that. And then I also honestly just put like directly on top of my contour, like that. And I go upwards with it. I don't really go too in the middle of my face, just want my face to be really bright still under my eye. And then I kind of go side, just so everything's nice and blended. And then I do a little bit on my nose, forehead, chin, just like the leftovers. So now that we have that, I'm going to add in my brow gel. I just use the, you guessed it, e.l.f. It's the matte clear mascara, pretty much, but I use it for my brows. Like this, it's like a little double-sided thing. The NYX Matte Finish Fitty Matte Setting Spray. Little focus. Favorite setting spray, like I said. Oop. There we go. Favorite setting spray, like I said. My makeup I use is pretty dewy, but this literally like keeps me matte. So to spray some of this. And I just fan my face just to set everything in. And then I like to go in with my lip liner. So I don't know which one I want to go in. I don't know which one I want to use today. I'm kind of like, I still have the plastic on them, don't mind that. These are both NYX. One is NYX London, and then the other is Nude Truffle. So these are the shades. They're pretty similar, but this one's a little darker. This one's a little more like red. I think I'm gonna go in with just the brown one, the Nude Truffle, because the other one's a little too red and my outfit's like silver. So I'm just gonna kind of wipe off my lips and get the product off, like the chalk strip. And then I'm gonna use this to line my lips. And I start at the bottom. And line. I don't really overline. Sorry, I don't really overline my lips just because I like my lip size. On the bottom. My top lip, I might like do a little bit. Just because of my cupid's bow is like pretty pointy. So I'll just like emphasize that a little more. Just do the point. And go down. But that's pretty much it. Like that. And then for lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Heat in 3. Fenty Glow Heat in shade 3. It's like this nice pinky shade. And this is like the plumping gloss. I really like it. I feel like it doesn't like, I don't think it plumps too much, but I honestly really like this shade of it. And it's really shiny and it lasts a long time, so it's worth it in my opinion. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the makeup. Guys, hopefully you guys can like see it. I think it's a little too bright in here. And now I'm gonna go get dressed and show you guys my outfit. I still need to do my baby hairs. I'm gonna do that on camera too. And then I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit. All right, so I got my outfit on. I'm just gonna do my baby hairs really quick before I show you guys. So I'm just gonna use my Eco Styler in the castor oil one, and then my baby hair brush, and then slick down my edges real quick. I don't do anything too crazy, literally just brushing down. Okay guys, so this is the top I'm wearing. It's by Norma Kamali. It's this little one shoulder like silver ruched top, and it also goes up on one side. And it's like a asymmetrical kind of vibe. It's very cute. I love it. It's really comfortable. And I'm just wearing a strapless bra with it. And then I'm wearing these Urban Outfitters camo cargo pants. They're so cute. Hope you guys can see. They have little like drawstrings on the side to tighten the waist. But honestly, they don't really stay like, they don't really stay tight throughout the night or whenever like you wear them. But they're really cute. And then with this, I'm going to wear these cute silver pumps that match this top perfectly. It's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. Hopefully get some good pictures. And then for my scent, I'm wearing this little Burberry perfume. I honestly don't know what it's called, but hopefully it's gonna focus. Yeah, I don't know what it's called, but it's a little Burberry scent. It's honestly like a little like powdery. Nothing too crazy, lightweight. So yeah, got that, and that's the completed look for the night. Completed vibe. Cute. It's giving like alien space, like army girl, I guess. I don't know, but I think it's really cute. And yeah, so hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one.